to Embark account logins authentication failure and usually appears during game startup or when trying to connect to servers. Here, what error ARAU0287 means. ARAU87 equals login authentication failed, Embark account session invalid. It happens when Embark login token is corrupted, server fails to verify your session, your device clock is out of sync, VPN proxy blocks authentication, firewall blocks Embark services. You switched accounts recently, Steam Epic couldn't link to Embark properly. Working fixes for ARAU0287. Fix 1. Completely log out and relog into Embark account. 1. Close the game. 2. Go to https:/accounts.embark.games. 3. Log out. 4. Log back in. 5. Restart game. This refreshes your token. Most players get fixed here. Tash Fix 2. Unlink and relink your game account. If you used Steam or Epic, 1. Visit accounts.embark.games/linked accounts. 2. Unlink Steam Epic. 3. Open the game. It will ask to relink. 4. Accept again. This fixes corrupted sessions. Fix 3. Sync your PC date and time. Very important. Authentication fails if your clock is even 5 seconds off. 1. Windows search date and time. 2. Turn on set time automatically. Set time zone automatically. 3. Click sync now. Restart PC. Fix 4. Disable VPN proxy. ARAU0287 frequently occurs when the Embark login request is blocked. Disable VPN, Nord, Surfshark, Proton, etc. proxy. Mobile hotspot, university, office, Wi-Fi retry. Fix 5. Allow the game through firewall. 1. Windows search, firewall and network protection. 2. Click allow an app. 3. Add arc.exe, embarklauncher.exe, Steam Epic allow private plus public. Fix 6. Clear Embark login cache. Delete this folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then restart the game. Fresh login session will be created. Fix 7. Restart router. Sometimes the authentication request gets stuck or blocked. Turn router off. Wait 10 sec. Turn on. Fix 8. Server-side issue. If many people have the error, if ARAU0287 appears for a lot of players at the same time, it is 100% a server-side login outage. You just have to wait 5 to 20 minutes. Want SEO package 2? I can generate SEO